One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. All right, so the next thing that you're going to want to learn and know is Uber is now changing the return to items fee, and it's not good for us. So what's going on here, Sergio?
Okay, I sent this to Uber. My contacts got back. He said, this can't be happening. I'm like, yeah, this cannot be happening. So this is a conversation from driver to Uber, either AI bot. This sounds like a bot to me, but then bot or no bot, I don't care. This cannot be. So this was from a driver's group. So now Uber won't pay return item fee if the rider left something by accident, Chris. How the fuck? What the fuck is what the? Excuse my language.
Intentionally leaving something in the car.
You are the accident, you idiot.
That is the accident. It would be 100% accident. The only way it's intentional is if they're, doing something nefarious by leaving like an Apple AirTag in a car trying to track somebody, which is absolutely nefarious.
This is being looked into, so don't freak out.
That deserves something completely else, like a call to the police. But
yeah,
when it comes to this, where they're just leaving a purse, a phone, keys, whatever it might be, that's always going to be an accident.
But this cannot stand. So Uber, take a screenshot of this one. My contact got it. He says we're looking into it. I will hear from him. Hopefully we'll give you an update. So guess I'm throwing everything left in my car away now. I mean, the printing is too small, Chris. Your eyes are good.
Yeah, I was just going to say, let me read the what
please,
this saying. So those people that are listening right now, or listening
settle down, folks,
on the replay. So it says, hi, Jeff. I'm sorry to hear about the confusion regarding the storage tote. After reviewing the situation, we have determined that the rider did not leave any item behind intentionally, and therefore the $20 fee has been removed from your account as it does not apply in this case. Thank you for your understanding and for using the Uber app. So yeah,
what the fuck
behind, but it wasn't intentional. So oopsie me, I'm sorry, I left the tote behind. How about I get that tote anyway, and then that way I don't have to pay the return fee.
Okay, first of all, Uber changed the rules anyway. Now the rider has to say or has to notify Uber that his or her item has been returned. Then Uber releases the $20. It's not like the old days that just automatically send you the $20. But now we have this word game or wordplay or whatever the hell this is. Intentional versus accidental. How do you differentiate between the two? I mean, if you left something behind, you left something behind. There's not a so you intentionally leave behind, you get it back not to pay your $20? I'm not even sure.
I don't know, but Jeff's response is, why would they intentionally leave an item? It was a mistake. I still had to return it. That's what a returned item fee is for. The response then says, hi, Jeff, we completely understand your frustration regarding the lost item return fee, and we're sorry for any inconvenience this may have caused you. The writer mentioned that they didn't purposely leave their item behind, which said the $20 lost item return fee will not be charged in this case. We appreciate your understanding and patience while we resolve this matter. Of course, they didn't do it on purpose, but they did leave it. I had to return it. That's what a return item is for. 100%.
What is happening here, Chris?
This is bullshit.
No, this is beyond bullshit. This is like this is intentional versus accidental.
This is me never returning an item again, and I don't care what it is. You could have the newest iPhone, and I'll go to the pawn shop later that day, and this was left in my car. It's now my property because it was abandoned. Okay, here you go.
What's the incentive of returning anything now? What is it?
Yeah, there is no incentive.
You're a good Samaritan. You want to return something back, keys, phone, whatever, purse, whatever. But when Uber, you're watching this, this is bullshit. I mean, this is beyond bullshit. I'm hoping this was a glitch in the AI bot system, whatever you guys are doing.
It was just an edge case, Sergio. Just an edge case.
No, bro, bullshit. This is bullshit. Listen, Uber, This is bullshit. Fix this. Seriously. If I see one more of these, I mean, that means the fire is spreading. So before it spreads, can we just fix this? Can we get a clarification, please?
Actually, that does raise a good point. Anybody in chat, have you had to do the return fee
What?
recently, like in the last couple of days, or
Yeah, actually.
not?
Yeah.
And then also, if this is the new way of doing thing by an accident, they didn't intentionally leave it in your car, but they did, so you returned it anyway, but we're still not paying you. Would you still return
Hold
the
on,
item
hold on,
or
hold on.
not?
There you go, right here. I'm going to the exact same thing right now. A rider left her phone in here, and then she contacted Uber for me to return. Well, you may not get it because she may have said, "Oh, I left it by accident." What the fuck? Hey, Uber,
Well,
wake the fuck up.
hold on, Chris. Once you get the chat response, or the response throughout chat, send it to Sergio. Screenshot it. Send it to Sergio. Sergio at therideshareguy.com.
Please do.
Just so we can see that. Is it the same kind of conversation that's going on with what we see on screen right now, and that? So then that way we can kind of figure some things out here. But either way, I will tell you right now, I sure as hell ain't returning shit. I'll just put it out on the street or something and say, oh, it's located there. You can go pick it up because I'm not getting paid to return it.
Well, okay. So Sally says once you get paid, it doesn't work like that though now.
Yeah, it doesn't work like that.
It doesn't work like that anymore. Now you have to return it. Then the rider will say, yes, confirm that it was returned. And then Uber will release the funds. It doesn't work like that. But this better be hocus pocus, Uber. Pretty seriously. Like, because you're going to have a lot of phones flying out of the window. I guarantee it. Or you're going to have a lot of phones ending up in someone's eBay sales account. That's what's going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, this is not kosher. None. Zero.
So,
anyway.
Either way,
yeah.
So just be prepared for that. So if you have to deal with returning fee, or I'm sorry, with returning an item, it's extra important to look behind the car when you drop somebody off now, so then you don't have to deal with that. Last week we talked about putting and installing the neons into the car, the LED lights into the car, so then that way it illuminates underneath the seats, and then that way you can say and look back easily and say, oh, there's something back there, you might want to take it because I'll charge you $50 to return it.
Well, the key is, we said this many times before, we're saying it again. When you do drop somebody off, don't take off like Mario Andretti because you already have a trip coming up. You accepted one. Just freaking pull over, turn the lights on, look around you. I know sometimes it's under the seat, whatever, but at least if you look back, because then this is the kind of headache you're going to deal with.
No, not even that. Quicker than that. Literally, you pull over, you park the car. As they're getting out, look behind and just say, hey, make sure you got everything, right? And you just do a quick look. And then that way they still have the door open and are getting out of the car before. Because if you let them get out of the car and then door closes, the ride's over at that point. And, if you're still looking or, you pull up and look, that kind of defeats the purpose. So you do it right then and there.
I agree with this 100%. I do the same thing when they're getting out, especially late night, and they're a little tipsy or whatever. I go, listen, you just make sure, double check everything that you're going. You have a great night, and just a little sentence will save you a lot of headache. So this is good.
Yep. So either way, just be careful with that in the event that you have to return something. They might say, it was not intentional, so we're not giving you. That doesn't even make sense. Like, make that make sense to me. The rider left it unintentionally, so therefore, because you returned it, we're not going to pay you. Like, the logic behind that doesn't even make sense. It's not even like an if-then statement. It doesn't make any sense. It's like broken.
Well, it's Uber support, but no. But that's technology company for you. So Uber, please, can we take care of this by next week? I sent it to them Sunday night actually, and then it was confirmed that it was received. I forwarded this email as is with the screenshots. I go, listen, this better be not happening. This is complete and utter nonsense. So there you go. Anyway, we'll see.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.